What do you need to do to get top dollar for your home? Hello, my name is Johnny Jennings. I'm with Made for More Realty, and this is a question I am asked regularly. Here at Made for More Realty, we sell a house on average every 3 days, so we're in and out of buyers and sellers' houses multiple times every single day, and that is probably the number one question I get asked. Johnny, how can I get my home ready? I want to net the most amount of money possible. What should I focus on? What should I not focus on? And it really just depends on your situation. Like if you have a beautiful house, recently updated kitchens, bathrooms, no deferred maintenance, my recommendations for you are going to be different than maybe somebody who has, a pool that's leaking water or a kitchen that hasn't been updated since Truman was president. So it really depends on your specific situation. But that being said, just so you have some walk away tangible things that you can implement if you're considering making a move, here's what I would recommend. Step 1, curb appeal. Make sure that the lawn looks great. If you have a more unique lawn, that's fine. Like unique landscaping, that's fine. Just make sure that it's clean and tidy. Nobody wants to see a bunch of leaves or dead bushes in the yard. And so when you walk up to the house, that front door, like when I'm walking up, I can typically tell what the rest of the house looks like based on the front door. Is the hardware worn? Is the paint peeling? Is the door cracked? So a great front door can work wonders when getting you top dollar for your home. Then obviously once you go throughout the house, kitchen, bathrooms, those have a huge impact in terms of ROI. The more deferred the maintenance, the higher the impact will be when you do make those renovations. A garage door is also a great thing because you're thinking curb appeal. Updating a garage door, is your spaded, cracked, dented? Maybe you install a new garage door. Those are some of the more bigger things. But you're saying, Johnny, I may not have a big budget. I can't go and remodel my kitchen. I don't want to pay, so much money for a garage door. Well, what can I do? And my recommendation is get the home professionally deep cleaned. Depending on the size of your home, it might cost $400, it might cost $700, but it's the best money you will spend in getting the home ready. So typically what we recommend is have the property deep cleaned, then have it staged. Again, if your house is updated, or whether it's not updated, staging, if you're able to do it, is a non-negotiable. Look at the builders. They have the homes staged for a reason. If you go out and you were to go onto a car lot, are those cars staged? Are they clean? Do they smell good? Are they presentable? It all comes down to presentation. So make sure the house is clean, make sure it's staged, and then those photos will pop. Those 3D tours will look incredible online and your home will sell for more money. So to recap, if you're looking to focus on some projects, step 1, call myself, call our team. We'll come out and we'll meet you and give you a customized plan specific to you. But if you're saying, hey, you know what, Johnny, I want to kind of do this on my own, then by all means, focus on the kitchen, bathrooms, yards, front doors, garages, and of course, make sure the house is clean and tidy. If you have any questions, reach out to Made for More Realty, where you can expect more and you always get more with Made for More Realty.